Okay. Yes, those who are done can relax and observe the next movement. Okay, now in the next I'm going to use 2 socks or 2 sliders, whatever you have. Okay, and I'm in my mountain climber pose. Okay, to begin with, try balancing both the toes on the socks, being the plank. Now from here we are going to do mountain climbers. Slide one leg, slide the other. Slide, 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 slide. Alright, got it? Try to maintain that balance. Stomach tucked in, core engaged. Yes, let's go for it. We'll do it for 20 seconds. Take your position, starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Your toes on the socks. Yes, very nice, Niti. Yes, good Ankita, good. Balance more. Yes, keep looking straight. Okay, relax. Alright. Vikram, your knees are going out. They should not go out. They should be inside your hands. Okay, so within the body. Rahul, you are not using socks. You are not comfortable with that. So you will be using socks. Don't use mat. Be on the floor. Place your socks on the foot toe. Okay, so while I was showing you this movement, I am using sliders. You can use socks. So you are here in the plank pose. Now from here you need to move your legs like this, sliding them, placing your toes on the socks. Okay, this is how the movement is going to be. Okay, alright, let's do one more set, same movement. Take your position. Yes, be in the plank with both the toes on the socks and start. Yes, very nice, Niti. Good. Tuck in your stomach, everyone. Engage your core. Good, Rahul. Good. That is how it is going to be. 5 more seconds, everyone. Good, Prashant. Excellent. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Okay. Then we have plank jacks. Okay, simple movement again. I am going to show you a back view of it. Again, I am in the plank. I am using sliders. So, being the plank, your toes on your socks or sliders, whatever. Stomach tucked in, core engaged. Now from here, push your legs out, bring them in. Out, bring them in. Out, bring them in. Yes, let's go for it.
May I have one question?
Huh.
The sock, like after a point, the sock keeps slipping. Is it better to wear it or not?
No. Don't wear socks. That will stabilize the movement.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, take your position and start. 30 seconds of plank jacks. Yes. Control, Vikram, control. Slowly open. Slowly close. That is the challenge. Doing this movement faster is easy. So say 1, 2, open, 1, 2, close. Yes. The pain up your torso is dropping down. Engage your core. Amrish, come in slow. Okay, when you take your legs inside, slightly slow. Relax. Okay, take a walk. Take a walk, everyone. If you will not engage your core, you will not suck in your stomach, you will face challenge in keeping your torso stable, because it's a highly unstable surface with both the legs, both the toes on the socks. Socks are slipping away, okay, and your core is being used to keep the body stable. All right, let's get ready. Second set, same movement. Take your position. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Open, pause, close. Yes. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is how. Yes. Very nice, Dipen. Excellent. Good. Yes. Good, Rahul. Good. Keep looking straight. Don't look down. Yes. Good, Amrish. Good. Carry on. Parag, very nice. Keep looking straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. We'll be doing one more set of this movement. Okay. Take your position. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, very nice. Go for it. Open, close. Yes. Core engaged, core engaged. Keep looking straight. Tuck in your stomach. Let your abs do the balancing. Yes, very good, Vikram. Good. Keep breathing. Torso down, core stable. 5, 4. Niti, come on. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Okay, rest. All right. Now, let's observe the next movement, which is your plank ducks. All right. And how are we going to do it? Now, ideally, if you are using sliders or socks, whatever, first stabilize your hands, okay, and then slide on. Because if you first slide on and then try stabilizing, you might fall, okay. That is the only reason. So, be in the plank, stabilize here. This is my plank pose, stomach tucked in, core engaged. Now, I'm going to start with my plank ducks and how. Pull in, pull out, pull in, pull out, in, out, in, out. Alright, got it? Let's go for it. And just let me know if you don't feel it in your stomach. You need to let me know. Okay. First set, only 15 seconds. Take your position starting in 3, 2, 1, start. Only 15 seconds of plank ducks. Engage your core. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Where did you feel it? Anybody felt in the abs or only the shoulders? Yes, good. Good, Amrish. Yes, good, Ajita. Yes, Niti, what happened? Hand tired? Wrist slightly, yes. Okay. All right. Let's do the second set, same movement. Take your position. This time I'm going to increase it to 20 seconds. Stabilize your body. Starting in 3, 2, 1, start. 20 seconds plank ducks. Feet should be slightly apart, not joined together. Slightly apart, yes. Very nice, Dipen. Good, good. 5 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. All right, one more set. Parag, slightly tilt your camera angle down. All right, get ready. Again 20 seconds. This is not more because the movement is slightly complex. All right, take your position. Yeah, starting. Yes, this is fine, Parag. 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, very nice. Good. In, out, balance. In, out. Very nice. Good. 10 more seconds. Good, Rahul. That is also fair enough. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Rest. Take a breather. All right. The next that we'll be doing is only one set. We'll be trying plank to mountain using the sliders or socks, whatever we have. Just observe. Okay. So first, be in the plank. Tuck in your stomach. From here, lift your legs up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Yes, let's try this movement. 5 counts. Let's go for it. Yes. No, don't fold your knees, don't get up. It is from plank to mountain. Pull your legs in. Very nice, Dipen. Good. Don't fold your legs. Pull your legs in. Yes, good, Niti. Very nice, Parag. Good, Rahul. Good. You don't need to stand up. Stay there. Only 5 counts. This is a slightly advanced movement. We won't be doing much here. Okay. Get up. Take a walk. Alright. Now, the next 2 movements, we will be doing glutes bridge sliders and back lunges. Back lunges will basically be sliding your leg back, which is a slightly easier movement as compared to the glutes bridge sliders. Glutes bridge sliders will majorly come on your hamstring. So just watch it. So, be in the glutes bridge. Lie down. Suck in your stomach. Heels placed on the socks. Alright. Now from here first, lift your torso up as high. Balance your body. Now take one leg, straighten it, bring it back. Take the other, straighten, bring it back. Down, up. Down, up. All this while try to maintain the glutes bridge as high as possible. This is the movement that we'll be doing. Alternate. Got it? Yes? Let's go for it. Take your position. First be in the glutes bridge. And then place your heels on the socks. And push one leg at a time. Yes. Slowly in a controlled way. Yes. Maintaining the glutes bridge. Don't let your torso fall down. Suck in your stomach. Yes. Very nice, Amrish. Good. Good, Rahul. Good. Yes. Very nice, Ankita. Good. Ten more seconds. Lift your torso up, everyone. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax. Okay, sit in a cross-leg position. We'll be doing 2 more sets of this. Okay. Now, instead of alternate, in the second set, we'll be focusing on one leg at a time. So, first, take this position. Be in the glutes bridge like this. And from here, I take one leg out and in. Out and in. So, it is down and up. down and up. Alright, yes, and the third set we'll try doing it with both the legs. Alright, let's go for it. Second set is only one leg at a time. Amrish, tilt your camera angle down. Only one leg at a time, 10 counts on each leg. Yes, very nice. Good, Parag, very nice. Torso up. Good, good, Prashant, very good. Good, Ajita. Yes, don't let your body tilt. Body stable. Slowly, slowly. Don't be in a rush. Don't let the socks slip away. Ten on each leg, and then you can sit in a cross leg position if you're done. Okay, third set, let me just show it again to you. We'll be doing it just for 20 seconds. It is just to try if we are able to do slightly advanced movement. You will feel a burning in your hamstrings if you do it for quite some time. Just watch. So again, I'm here, tuck in your stomach. Don't let your stomach go loose. I'm pointing again and again. Okay. Now, this is your glutes bridge. Now from here, take your legs out, bring them in. Out, bring them in. All this while you should be in your glutes bridge as high as possible. Okay? Observe it again. Out, in. Out, in. Alright, got it? Let's try that.
Can you show the front pose? We're not able to see your legs completely.
Okay, okay. So just observe that this is my front. I'm lying down here. Lift up your torso, first being the glutes bridge. Now from here, legs out, in, out, in. Alright, let's go for it. 5 counts only. Let's try that. Good, Parag, good. No, don't leave your torso while pulling in. Torso has to stay in the glutes bridge. Yes, good. Five counts. Doable? Movement was doable or challenging?
Getting the legs back together, Mehak, is like
It is a challenge, yes.
yeah, going is still okay, but I'm able to do one by one. The coming back.
That's fine. So it's a hamstring and calves you must be feeling there.
Yeah.
So that is the challenge here. All right, let's get up, take a walk. One last movement we have, back lunges. We are going to create more instability here now in this movement. Let's observe. Okay. Now, in the first set, I'm going to use only one slider. I'm going to show you how it looks from both the angles. So, I'm here. My one foot is placed on the socks. Alright. And I slide back. I lunge. And I move forward. First, slide back. Then lunge. Then get up, move forward. Okay. So, observe the front. Take your leg back, lunge, move forward. Yes, let's do 8 on each leg in the first set. Only one foot on the slider. First slide it back, down in the lunge, lift it back up. Let's go for it. 8 counts. Yes. Slide it back, lunge and come back. No, Ajita, you need to take your leg back, the one that is holding the socks. Okay, take that leg back. The front leg is not holding any socks, it is stable on the floor. The leg that is holding the sock will go back, slide back, and then you do a lunge. And then you come forward. Yes. Take your leg back. Yes, lunge, yes, and forward. Careful, careful everyone. Don't lose your balance. Good. Okay, now the next movement is a forward lunge. Same way, just that I took this leg back and I did lunge. I'm going to take one leg that is on the socks forward. Forward, lunge, back. Just observe it here. I'm standing here. This leg is on the socks. This is free on the floor. Take this leg forward, pause, lunge, up, bring it back. Forward, pause, lunge, bring it back. Yes. Again, this time do only 5 counts. 5 counts. Try, because this is slightly challenging as you pull it back. It is a challenge to pull it back. Yes. Core engaged, only then you will be able to pull it back. Engage your core. Yes. Lunge, pull it back. Yes. Good, Ankita, good. Lunge, pull it back. Yes. 5 on each. Yes. Good, Ajita, good efforts. Good, Vikram, very nice. Careful, careful, Amrish, engage your core. That is going to help you in balance. Neeti, body weight, not too much in the front, on the front leg. Slightly balance it out. Better, better. 5 on each, and that is all.